In this series, I am going to show you the different types of strokes and their uses in drawing. So in today's video, I am talking about two common types of strokes which are called hatching and cross-hatching. First of all, there are three kinds of hatching, which are light, medium, and dark. Now, this one is called cross-hatching, which is a mixture of at least two or more hatching strokes. And now I am going to draw human eye as an example of cross-hatching technique. To show you the main uses of cross-hatching in drawing, I am sketching a portrait of Salvador Dali with the help of this technique. At first, I am doing the first layer with light hatching strokes. Now it's time for the second layer with medium strokes. One thing we should keep in mind that we cannot use complete vertical or horizontal strokes in human bodies as they are three-dimensional. But if we draw two-dimensional things, we can use complete vertical or horizontal strokes. At last, these are the final layer with dark strokes. You can add some more finishing touch if you want. I wish this video will help you to know about the basic uses of hatching and cross-hatching technique. To know about more amazing techniques in next videos, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon.